So this is the GCash Visa card, and this is how you can get one. The card was delivered by Ninja Van Courier. It comes with a black, large sealed envelope. At the front, all the contact details and delivery address are indicated. Now let's quickly unzip it by pulling this little strap all the way to the right edge. On the inside, you get another small packaging with GCash's card branding. It looks impressive, but a little instructions on how to properly open it would have been appreciated. And here's the all-new GCash Visa card. Owner's name is indicated at the lower right portion of the card, while at the back reflects the card number, card's expiry date, virtual account number, and your card's CSC number or card security code. Now, to link the card, open your GCash app from your phone. From the home page, go to View All, scroll down to the bottom and select Cards. At the bottom, you'll see Link My Card option, then select it. You'll receive an authentication code. Just enter it to proceed. In this portion, just enter the last 4 digits of your card and the designated virtual account number. Once done, you'll be required to nominate a 6-digit card PIN. Remember, this is your PIN for card transactions. PIN assigned to open your GCash app is different. If all instructions were followed correctly, then you should get this prompt. You can now use your GCash Visa card anytime, anywhere. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.